Hey, welcome back to Cool Art, and let's draw the awesome looking smoke in Rainbow 6. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the very cool looking gas mask first. So it's going to be pretty simple. We're going to draw the eye, or the eye area. So we just draw two big circles pretty close to each other. And then from there, we can draw in the side. Just kind of come down or slightly. And then we can connect the top. And we can actually finish up the top. So we can, because it's so easy, it's just gonna be one dome shape. And then we'll add in a little bit of detail there in the corners. And then from here, we're gonna come down a little bit. And then before we come all the way down, just draw like a big circle. So it's just basically three big circles. Okay, so then from here now we can just kind of pinch it in and just connect it to that circle. And then for the bottom one, let's see, there's gonna be some detail. We're gonna draw another circle inside. And then now for this part, connecting to the mask, you start from the corner. Just draw like a little arc like that. And then from the corner again, just draw another one. So now it looks like it's a little bit three-dimensional. Okay, and then we can draw in, let's add in a little line there. Alright, so that's the gas mask, and let's move down. So let's see for his neck, so we just gotta come down. And then we're gonna close it, just kind of curve it all the way around. And then we're gonna give it a little bit of color. Just draw two little curves like that on the side, and then we're gonna connect it again. Just kind of go all the way around. All right, so now for his shoulders, we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna curve in. He's got a vest on, so we're gonna curve it in. This is gonna be the armpit, and now we can pinch it in all the way to his waist. Okay, so now we can close this, and this is gonna be his belt. And let's go ahead and draw his belt. Then we're gonna come down, come across, and then the belt buckle. All right, and then let's draw in the center. It's gonna be one big zipper. So we're actually gonna draw in, let's draw in 3 lines. Okay. And then there's gonna be a lot of little things in there, but let's move on to his arm first. So on his shoulder here, we're gonna come out a little bit more. And now we're gonna draw this is the armpit. And as we're coming out, it's gonna be cloth, so just kind of give it a little bit of these wiggly shapes. Okay, so that's gonna be elbow. So we're gonna come down and just kind of close it off. And now for his lower arm, so we're gonna curve it, curve this. That's the wrist. So now we're gonna draw his thumb, back of the hand, fingers folded in for his fist. And let's see, we can add in, so for his clothing here, wherever there's a corner, where it dips in, you can just draw in it like a little line. So make it look like cloth. Alright, so let's draw the other side, and the other side is going to be holding an Uzi, which is going to be pretty cool. So shoulder, come out a little bit more, and then again, we just kind of give it a little bit of these wiggly shapes. The armpit coming down, then we're going to close it off. And let's add in, okay, what we'll do now, just add in some lines for the close. Alright, so now let's draw the lower arm. So we're gonna come out. That's gonna be his wrist right here. And for his finger, we're gonna come out. His thumb bent in. The palm. And then again, trigger finger right here. And then 3 more down here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And then right from this corner right here, we're gonna come down, That's gonna be a grip, and we're gonna give the magazine right here. Extend it, and then we're gonna finish off the palm right there. And then we're gonna draw, let's draw the Uzi. We'll try to keep it simple, but it's a really cool looking gun. So we're gonna go up. So we just kind of almost like, well, it is a rectangle. And then from here, go up a little bit, just give it a little bit of an angle. And then now we're gonna draw in another rectangle, and then this is the grip, so we're drawing some lines, and then the trigger, let's close that off, 2 lines. And then for the tip, rectangle, and then a barrel. And then it's gonna be a sight here, and another smaller one here, and on the back we'll add in a little rectangle, and then another round shape, and we can add in some details. All right, so let's move back up. Yeah, let's add in some of all those little pockets and stuff he has here. So let's start with the big one. On the bottom, we're just gonna draw a rectangle, and then a little flap, and then we'll draw in another one up here, flap, and then let's see, it's gonna have 2 up here. So you can make it a little bit wobbly, and then the flap's gonna be down here. Looks like magazine clips, I suppose. And then 2 more here, smaller ones. And because they are cloth, so doesn't have to be straight. And then it's gonna have some shells here. Okay, and then it's gonna have some straps. All right, so there's a lot of little things, and then it's got another little pouch here, and then the flap. Okay, so let's move on to his legs. So we're gonna come down, draw a little line, and then we're gonna continue this line here, come out, go in, and then we're gonna curve it this way. And then on the other side, it's gonna be pretty much the same. Come down, curve out, curve in, curve this way. And then for the knee pad, so we're just gonna come down. It's gonna be a little bit longer. Just keep it simple. And we can add in a little X there. All right, and then let's see for the lower legs. So we're just gonna come out from the side here. It's gonna come in, close it off a little bit early. And then his boot is gonna come down. Now the dome shape here, close that off. Okay. So then on the other side, it's gonna be pretty much the same. So use the other side as a guide. Close it off, little rectangle, and then we're gonna come down. And dome shape going this way. Close it off, and let's add in some details on his pant. He's got straps here, so from this area, so from the corner here, go up. Okay, and then he's gonna have some more stuff over here. So lots of little things, and then a strap. Another little pouch, and then let's add in just a couple more straps on the side, so we'll just add in a little line like that. And that is it for Smoke in Rainbow Six. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.